Do you want to turn off sleep mode on Instagram? You had turned it on by accident. Because of this, you are not receiving messages. So don't worry, I will show you an easy way to turn off Instagram sleep mode. Before this, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please consider liking and subscribing. Now, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, as you can see, the sleep mode is on in my profile. So, click on it, and then on this pop-up page, click on Settings, which is written in sky blue. On this page, just tap on this toggle button to turn it off. However, if you are not able to turn it off using this method, let's move to another method. So, just go back to your profile page and then click on this menu bar. On this page, scroll down a little bit and click on the notification option. Inside this, you can see the option for quiet mode, so click on it. Now you can easily turn off sleep mode by this method as well. If you have any queries left, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.